What's the meaning of Ben Nevis? Ben Nevis. Ben Nevis.
Ben Nevis. Ben Nevis. Ben Nevis is the highest mountain in the British Isles, located in Scotland. It stands at 1,345 meters tall and attracts thousands of visitors every year for its stunning views and challenging hiking trails. The name Ben Nevis comes from the Gaelic language and translates to venomous mountain. However, some experts believe that it may have originated from the Old Irish language, which means Badger's Peak. Regardless, Ben Nevis has a rich history and cultural significance in Scotland, and has become an iconic symbol of Scottish pride and natural beauty.